Ideal Nursing Academy. Ignited, dynamic, enjoyable academy for learning. Welcome to Achievers Academy.
Hi, happy Teachers' Day. With that, I would like to announce the schemes, plans, and charity by Achievers Academy channel in the near future. The scheme of registration starts today and ends on 2nd October 2020. All of you register in the link provided for registration in the description below. By wishing Happy Teachers' Day, I welcome all our presenters to this era of online teaching and learning. Let us together display the joyful pedagogy to all the students out there. I would like to introduce all the presenters one by one. First, I would like to introduce Dr. Senthil Kavita, PhD and MSc Nursing, Associate Professor with 9 years of experience. Next, Mrs. Bemina J.A., Associate Professor with 14 years teaching experience. Mr. Lingaraju, Associate Professor with 12 years teaching experience. Next, Mr. Mahantesh Kargi, Assistant Professor with 9 years teaching experience. Mrs. Hemalata M, Assistant Professor with 11 years teaching experience. Ms. Yohanida, UG Tutor with 2 years teaching experience. Next, Ms. Tulasi Mishra, UG Tutor. Ms. Rajveer Kaur, UG Tutor. Ms. Arasi Saxena, UG Tutor. Next, let us.
Myself, Prabhu John, Associate Professor with 13 years teaching experience.
I would like to release the plan. What is the plan? Before going into the plan, we know our mission of the particular channel is Revolution of Nursing Education from Evolved System of Nursing Education by Miss Florence Nightingale through 6 important core goals that you all saw in the previous video. And the vision of our Academic Achievers channel is to develop competent nurse in the healthcare industry based on the 6 goals that we have seen already. So next, what is the scheme? What schemes we are having? Why we have a schemes that is very much of related to student, and even though we are having certain income, we may be having income very shortly. So once we get into monetizing our channel, if we get money, what will we do that? The 70% of the income what we are getting through the registration as well as the YouTube company, we will be sharing with owners. Owners will be shared. And remaining 30% will be given back to the students. How we are giving back? First is 15% as scholarship for PG and UG students. The top 3 scorers will be getting 15% of the income what we are getting. So not to exceed 10,000 per year. In a year, 10,000 rupees scholarship we will give for 3 students. At least 30,000 rupees we are planning to give for the students. Those who are regularly attending and subscribing and attending our classes and giving answers. The MCQs should be answered within a short time period as it is scheduled. Next, assessment of scholarship as it is shown in the tablet column. Is a must for applying scholarship. Again, I will explain. Registration, answering the MCQ and filling up the feedback form is must for applying scholarship. And then rest 15%, 5% we are going to give for awards and activities assigned during those topics. There are topics and assignments will be there will be assignments or activities will be given by the teachers, or those presenters will be giving the activities. If you are completing it and if you are giving us feedback through email or WhatsApp, or any mode of soft copy or anything is asked, if you prepare and send it back to us, and those activities will be awarded with the 5% of the amount remaining. Then 10% of charity for the charity to the poor or the old age home or orphanage or any other charity activities we are going to use it. That's the total amount of income or how we are going to share it along with it. 70% will be shared by the company owners and the 30% will be shared with the students. Best 5 students will go for industry based trip within India. Within India, possibly to foreign countries in 2 years. Terms and conditions applied like consent, willingness and others. So it is very much clear that if you are interested to go for the trip, that is what is called as joyful learning. We just go for trip, industry based. We may visit any hospitals or any major hospitals. As well as along with that we will have fun by going around as a trip. Then registration is must for getting notes and teaching content or a video. If you want to get the teaching content and the video, the registration is must. Registration just rupees 100 INR starts from September 5th to 2nd October 2020. After that registration is rupees 200 INR for access to content in PDF form for scholarship and industry based trip for the academic year 2020. Account number for transaction will be provided later by email ID or WhatsApp. So hurry up and register yourself right now. The registered candidates are eligible for scholarship, awards, industrial trip and receiving content in PDF form of every video. So please all of you register before 2nd October. Until then, content will be free. All the students, link will be provided in the description for each video. Training and recruitment. Presenter training will be UG tutor. For UG tutor it will be 500 rupees and for the PG tutor it will be about 1000 rupees. So if you want to start a new channel for yourself or you want to be a part of our channel, you should get a training. The minimum training that fits with this charges will be applicable. And this should be transferred to the account details that will be provided later on. Future plans. Okay, so on the first year we will be able to achieve these are the things. Scholarship amount 10,000 a year for at least for 2 students we want to give, and charity for 15,000 rupees we are planning, and industry oriented trip or one with 5 students at least we want to take them to say. Next years 2 following the year 1 the same we got joining activities with TNA and SNA, supporting them financially, yearly workshop and presentation on research work, starting channels for other discipline like MBBS, paramedical, education and engineering. Per class payment will be done. Some good presenters if we find, we will ask them to do a guest lecture and we will pay them the amount. Then starting an organization for Achievers Academy, that is Achievers Academy Highlamp or .org. Maybe after 15 years or 10 to 15 years, if we are growing very fast, we will start it early. So friends, all these schemes and plans are just a vision. We are planning it and hoping your support. Without your support, nothing is possible. If you all support us and give a thumbs up for us, and we will try to achieve it, and we will be a part of nursing profession, and we will do all that is possible to uplift the nursing profession. Thank you. Next, let us see what our presenters want to say on this auspicious day of Teachers' Day.
Hi, I am Remina, Assistant Professor from ESIC Nursing College, Kalburgi. It's my immense pleasure to be a part of Achievers Academy and would like to take this great opportunity as an upliftment in my professional prosperity, and also thank the organizers, Mr. Prabhu John, and all the eminent, effective team explorers of joyful pedagogy approach in transforming the nursing students to reach their destiny in nursing profession. I have signed in today to wish all the teachers across various countries a happy and safe Teachers' Day. As we all know, Teachers' Day is marked in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born in September 5th in the year 1888. since 1962. Teachers' Day is a special day for appreciation of teachers and may include celebrations to honor them for their special contribution in particular field of area or the community in general in education. In India, Guru Purnima is also traditionally observed as a day to venerate teachers, that is, to honor and respect the teachers. Many countries celebrate World Teachers' Day, which is established by UNESCO in 1994 on 5th October as their Teachers' Day. With the small review, I would like to also elaborate a small on the word of teacher as a tribute to them. That is, it is all to the teachers out there. You are talented, T stands for talent. You are elegant, where E stands for elegancy. You are affectionate, where A stands for affectionate, and you make people affectionate too. C stands for confident and cheerful. You are the person who makes the students to be confident and cheerful in their life. You are honest. H stands for honesty. You are the person who shows path of honesty. E stands for explorer, expansion, and also efficient. You are the person who proves that you are efficient enough to bring various changes and innovations and an expansion in the career of education. You are respectful and respected all over the world to make the students grow and the buds to become professionally high in their life. So with this, bye everybody, and once again a wonderful and blessed Teachers' Day wishes to all the legends out there who was watching this video, so called my loving teachers. Be proud to be a teacher. Bye.
Hi everybody. In the remembrance of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, September 5th we are going to celebrate the Teachers' Day in every year. So here I would like to wish all the teachers in this world a happy Teachers' Day on the behalf of Achievers Academy. Thank you.
Hi friends, as you know that if any person want to get the success in their life, two things are important. One is the goal, that is the guru, okay. Second one is guru. Who is guru? The teacher who is going to guide their students in a right way. So who is the guru? The guru is like a candle who is burning himself or herself to light the student's life towards the bright future. So on the occasion of Teachers' Day, behalf of the Achievers Academy, I am wishing you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
मुश्किलें आए, चाहे कितना भी गिर जाए, चाहे जितनी भी मुश्किलें आए, चाहे कितना भी गिर जाए, कभी ना रुकने देना, ऐसा समझाया आपने। सामने दो लोगों के जो बोलने से घबराती थी, सामने दो लोगों के जो बोलने से घबराती थी, आज भरी महफिल में उसको बोलना सिखाया आपने। लास्ट में 2 लाइन और बोलना चाहूँगी। मेरी ज़िंदगी के हर सफ़र में मेरे साथ रहता है, मेरी ज़िंदगी के हर सफ़र में मेरे साथ रहता है, मेरे सर पर मेरे गुरुजनों का आशीर्वाद रहता है। I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers who always supports me, motivates me and encourage me. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves, said by a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In India, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to the society. This day is the birth anniversary of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education and was a well-known diplomat, scholar, the President of India, and above all, a teacher. Every year, it is the occasion to remember teachers and applaud their contribution towards overall development of the student. After parents, our teachers are the only one who put in so much effort in making us a civilized and disciplined person. In this special day, I thank and wish all my teachers who were the inspiration, guide, and the candle to my life. And as a teacher today, I am wishing all my dear students try to learn from every little thing, try to be an inspiration, and always believe in yourself. Be confident and work hard to get your success. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day on behalf of Achievers Academy, meant for nursing students and nurses. Thank you.
बहुत योगदान है आपका, मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ उसमें ज्ञान है आपका। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश सभी रूप हैं आप में, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश सभी रूप हैं आप में, इसीलिए दुनिया में मान है आपका। जिंदगी रब ने दी पर चलना आपने सिखाया है, पाला माँ बाप ने है पर काबिल आपने बनाया है। मैं भी भागती रही इस सिस्टम के आगे पीछे, मैं भी भागती रही इस सिस्टम के आगे पीछे, पर पढ़ाई क्या है ये सिखाया आपने है।
The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teachers, you are awesome. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the educators and teachers out there. Let's know why do we celebrate Teachers' Day? We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India, on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our first Vice President of Independent India and second President of India. At last, I request to every student, please give respect to our educator or guru, because on earth only parents and teachers are those who tolerate everything to make our future bright. So once again, happy Teachers' Day.
Good evening everyone. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Happy